Hi! Today we prepare our bikes for winter. Enjoy! This can be applied for any motorcycle. I always do 7 things before winter storage. First is cleaning. Obviously, you do not want to have a dirty bike. Second is filling up gas. Before winterizing the motorcycle, I recommend filling the tank up to the cap. This is to prevent damage to the tank over the winter. This especially applies to older motorcycles. Third is chain cleaning. If you want your chain to last longer, then you should clean it and lubricate it. Fourth is battery charging. Just find your motorcycle battery. Grab a charger and charge it a few times during winter to prevent any damage to the battery. Fifth is covering the air filter and exhaust to prevent dust and bugs making nests. Or you can just do this. Sixth thing is overall check if my motorcycle is alright. If it need new tires or brake pads or any type of fluid. Seventh thing is putting my bike on a stand lift. Be careful so you don't drop it. Also, covering it is an option to keep it clean. And that's it. Nothing too complicated. Everything I mentioned here should be easy to do at home. So good luck, and see y'all all next summer. Check out links below for the gear you need for winterizing your motorcycle.